Welcome to Dream Abroad with IELTS. Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about speaking module in IELTS. Before that, just have a look at what is IELTS. It is an international English language testing system which evaluates your English on the basis of receptive and productive skills. The receptive skills being listening and reading, and the productive skills being writing and speaking. These are the 4 modules in both general and academic IELTS. Let's move on to speaking module. Speaking test is same for both general and academic IELTS, and it is conducted either on the same day or 5 to 7 days before or after your listening, reading and writing test. And the duration of the test will be 11 to 14 minutes. IELTS speaking test. It is actually a one-to-one interaction between examiner and candidate, which is recorded. The test is interactive and designed to be as close to a real-life situation. During the test, the examiner will give you a wide range of questions to assess how well you can communicate opinions and informations on real-life situations. For speaking, you should organize your ideas, speak confidently and fluently, use appropriate language with correct sentence structure and grammar, use good vocabulary. Here no need to use advanced vocabulary, you can use simple vocabulary, but never repeat the words. Express and justify your opinions, analyze the issues and discuss and formulate about issues. Speaking test consists of 3 parts, part 1, 2 and 3, and it takes 11 to 14 minutes. First about part 1. It is an introduction and interview. It will be 4 to 5 minutes and it has a brief introduction which will be followed by a short question and answer conversation. Next about part 2. It is a monologue and for 3 to 4 minutes. It will be an individual speaking. In this, the examiner will give you a topic to speak on which you will have to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Here you will get a minute to prepare before speaking, and the examiner will not interrupt at all whilst you speak. Next about part 3. It is a discussion or two-way conversation and it is for 4 to 5 minutes. Here the examiner will ask you about 5 to 6 questions based upon the topic that was given to you in part 2. Please make sure that you relax and speak confidently and fluently as much as you can. If examiner interrupts you while speaking, don't panic. It's a good sign. That means he got what he wanted. That's all about IELTS speaking module. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye.